IDPs taking refuge at government quarters located at LANGOL game village have denounced the government order instructing to vacate their current places. Addressing a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Sorokhaibam Arpana, an IDP who spoke on behalf of the IDPs, demanded that they be allowed to return to their original homes by providing adequate security forces if the government forced them to vacate the government quarters. Arpana went on to inform that the Manipur DGP issued a relevant order in this regard on September 18, adding that the IDPs condemned the order and submitted a representation to the DC Imphal West. She further highlighted the grievances of the IDPs that compelled them to take shelter at the government quarters. The press meet was attended by IDPs from Churachandpur, More, Kautruk, Napat, Kwatha and Torbung Bangla.
Lanjelaga yam thina wana leiringai gi tanja sida akhoi gi LANGOL game village ta leiba quarter da khoi se leijabani sarkar gi quarter sida hojik che ma thokchale akhoi thokro haibagi sigi thokro haibagi che se tholakpa sida akhoi yam thina nuai jade akhoi yum mu hen ba kadai da leigi akhoi yum da yam thina leijaningi sida leisi nuai ba nate akhoi yam thina thamoi sokna leiringai gi timing sida akhoi bu chakhro na haibi ba se sigi se akhoi thamoi sokna nuai jade aduna akhoi kai gumba chakhro haiba taraga di akhoi security matik chana pibiraga akhoi mafam da hanjan jiba ko akhoi di si sukta thadoroi na mafam Thadoro na akoi lepjare hojik taura iba thabak se sarkar na khitang mieng sangjan biraga akoi da nungsibi bai mieng dilai da na sumaina oina tholak pa se yam thina akoi nungai jade haraga thamjag